good morning, CastHeads. We're trying this out, so you got to be patient with us. We're here today at Nastars at Liberty Plaza. As you can see this wall of die-cast behind me. We have some special openings and unboxing for you today. So Nigel will take you through, and we will start in a bit. But before I do that, I would like to welcome Justin from Nastars. He's the main force behind Nastars diecast. And so just to tell us a little about your collections over here.
We've got this mostly affordable range, you can see.
Let me get out of the way.
The 1:18 is in affordable range. It's very cute, but anyway, they got a nice wide selection. Antiques, modern ones, have a look.
Okay, so I'm going to say something now. First of all, I really apologize for our cheap ass intro of walking in. We are looking for a videographer. If there's anybody out there who likes to do some fancy video work for us, please hit us up at castheads@gmail.com. Now, the thing is, Nastars has been doing diecast for a long time. In fact, I got my first 1/18 scale from Nastars, I think in 1996 or 7. It was a Dodge Viper GTS followed by a purple Diablo, then a Mercedes SLK and a Porsche 911 Cabriolet, two of which I still have. Unfortunately, the Diablo and the Viper was sold to buy a present for a girlfriend at the time. If you ever have that problem, don't waste your money on the present. Keep the cars, give her a card, because when she breaks up with you, she's going to give you the card back, right? The reason why we're here today is because Gisty has got some new items, and as Lance very prolifically put, we have a wall of diecasts that have been sitting here now, waiting to get inside your homes. So first of all, you need to come over here and check out the collection, because if you are a rare collector,
You can use your card.
yeah, we also have a DCSL membership card for this place as well. So not only can you get great selection, but you can get a super discount for it as well. I'm going to look at some of the newer ones that Gisty has got, and I'm going to go straight to the one that I really want. In fact, if this was portable, Gisty would probably have for security after me.
It's not the
It's not the Urus, which is a stupid name. Then Clarkson, and then will also, it sounds more like the, what is it driving with? Urus, Lamborghini. But this is actually one of my favorite models, and it is, I'm going to let Gisty take it out because you guys know me, and side mirrors and headlights, and most recently metallic badges. They make these things, that are not Nigel. But yeah. He's got about 10 people downstairs. They have to stop me. But this is the Alpine Renault A110. Just look at that beautiful metallic color. Lance, how am I in focus?
Yes.
Alright. It's got the roll bars in the back. The details are pretty phenomenal. I can see a nose tank in the front. So some of you who are into nose tanks, right? No, you come and look at it yourself. For now, you will look at this. No, seriously. This is one of those classic cars that you should have in your collection. There is no doubt about it. In fact, if you were to walk out Nastars right now and buy 118, don't buy this, I want this, right? But see if he has another one. But this is definitely a really cool car to get. I mean, you can check. We can't take it out of the box, unfortunately, because this has to go to some owner, and obviously they're going to want it in pristine condition. Yeah, truly a beautiful piece. In addition to that, I think Gisty is going to get some more cars. In addition to that, another model that I really like is this Porsche. Now, I don't know if most of you all know this. Our new edition of the magazine that's coming out next week. It is deals with a lot of Porsches. It's the 70th Porsche range. Porsche Celebration, and really they do a really good job with their next models. And this is the 911 GT3S, orange and black. Again, great detail inside. They've even got the marker on the steering wheel so that you know when the steering wheel is centered. I mean, Willy and this range of cars is pretty awesome. Just you'd like to talk about this?
You go right
Okay. I mean, do I even need to start with the color combination really? Okay, two of my favorite colors, purple and turquoise. Again, check out the detail. It's got a panoramic sunroof, which is great for a hot rod. Also, it gives you a great insight as to the inside of the car, unlike most diecast with covered hoods. Disc brakes. This is one of those really cool hot rods. It's a Model A sedan. If you're a hot rod lover, this is a fantastic piece. Even got a nice little tattoo style motif on the corner of the door. Lance says he wants to get a tramp stamp like this. And now he's making road gestures. See, this is why you don't get someone like Lance behind the camera. He should be out in front. Dual exhaust, Goodyear tires.
It's a very detailed.
Yeah, it's actually, I'm quite impressed with the detail of this. And this is the brand of this is
Road signatures.
it's by a company called Road Signatures. Yes. There you go. That's the box. And this is retailing at about $12,250. Even the Ford logo on the front there is really detailed, centered, weight's really good. The interior, while I'm showing you this Ford, I can see the purple highlights in the white interior. It's really nice. In fact, Justy wants to look at this. He's going to be watching this video afterwards. What else can we look at? Yeah, let's open it all, Justy. Also, can we have a look at that Corvette, the 180 exclusive? Because this is one of Nastars' best line, top of the line models. And I mean, you'd be surprised again at the detail that the Corvette is not. But till we get that, this is a Studebaker. Oh, wow. This is also by that same brand, right?
Road signature.
Road Signature. Now, I must say, the weight of these is quite nice. It feels like a really good die-cast model. Even the Nastars, feel more resin-like, but this is just... So as you can see, I'm going to get closer in. Again, beautiful metallic shade of blue. If you're into classic cars, this is most definitely another great piece to have. Again, unfortunately, we can't open the doors and the bonnet and the dicky and so on and so forth, but these are all openable pieces. They're strapped in because these are all sale models, so we want to keep it in fantastic packaging for you guys so when you're buying. And now just is pulling out the big guns, right? Oh, wow.
These are white bottom.
White wall tires. Lance, you want to talk about this one? I'm doing all the talking, and while you and Gisty are distracted, maybe I can.
Wow, I think the detail on this. I mean, this is a proper classic. I mean, when you're talking about classic trucks, it doesn't get any better than this. It's solid, and the white wall tires. You gotta admire white wall tires on a truck. Racing green, which is a very British color. So I think it just really comes out really great. The detail on this is superb. Just see, good stuff. I think Nigel's got more to talk about. He just takes everything that he wants.
Right. So back to modern cars, right? None of that old stuff. I know some of you are like, this is one of Nastars' highest lines. Just see what's the name of this car. This is the 118 exclusive. Maestro exclusive. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Now this can show off the engine bay. So we start with that. Then let's get closer in for the carbon fiber patterns. And I know a lot of you JDM freaks love carbon fiber patterns on cars. So this is an American classic with carbon fiber. This I really would like to take home as well. Let's just assume that every car that we look at today I want to take home. So I'm going to keep saying this on repeat. But then I'm sure most of you who are watching this also, the reason why you're watching this is because you want to take these home. This is a fantastic detail model. And I'm really shocked at how well, Maestro has got this together. I mean, if you look at it, I don't know if you can see inside there. Lance, do we have our spotlight? You can see the details in there, the AC vents, that is fantastic detail. And how much is this going for this thing? 12,000. 30,950, which is not a bad price for a 118 scale model with this sort of detail. We've actually seen this sort of detail on very high-end models as well. So again, a really good price for a really good piece.
This one's been haunting Nigel right now.
And as you can see, Gisty also won't stop. But yeah, California.
The paint job on that is outstanding.
So we're back again, and if you've just tuned in, which is not going to happen because it's a joint video, we're at Nastars, and we've had a look at quite a few of the Maestro and Burago models that are available here. Now we're going to look at another line that Gisty has brought in, which is the Jada Fast and Furious line. And starting off with, we have Brian's original Supra, and one without the roof. So it's one that Brian fell out of. But
Jumped out.
again, as you can see, the details that Jada has on their car models is quite exquisite. This is really, really nice. If you're a Fast and Furious fan, you're definitely going to add this to your collection. And the thing is, Nastars has got the whole collection as well. And just because it doesn't have a roof, the roof is here. So you can always... The roof, oh my god, we thought she had dropped the Ferrari. Immediately, 50% off. Right? But yeah, this is the Supra. And then we have this I really like, the Nissan Skyline 2000 GT. I really like the matte black wheels. They go really nice with the whole subtlety of the car. Very nice model. Details again inside the car are pretty nice, pretty good. Not on the level of the exclusive 118 by Maestro, but still, for a collector, this is a great set to have. And then we have Dom's Ice Charger. Everybody knows what car this is. Again, another great piece to have in your selection. So these are all available at Nastars right now. Again, just see how much are these going at? Around 12,000, right?
Yes, 12,950.
12,950 for these cards, 124 scale. And every time Disney got something, I think card discount is coming up. No. Also, don't forget, you have your DC. If you have your DCSR membership card, some of these cards are on discount specially for you. So come over here and use it. If you haven't got your DCSR membership card, then visit our Diecast Collectors Club of Sri Lanka page and get your DCSR card, because it gives you a range of discounts at a lot of places, including Nastars, for all your diecast needs. And don't forget, Christmas is coming up, so you're going to be wanting to keep spending on yourself. We totally encourage selfish spending. We don't believe in giving others. We believe in buying for yourself. And then finally, Plymouth GTX. Look at that. Lance is making weird faces. I'm going to have a shower after this. But yeah, this is again another great piece. These are just sitting here waiting for you guys. Just get off your asses and come over to Nastars at Liberty Plaza Colpetty and pick up a few of these. Look at that. You hear it? I've never seen Lance look at a rear end for so long. Testament to his oh my. But yeah. Of course, we really wish that these could be slipped into our pockets, but unfortunately we cannot. So a whole range. There's, tons and tons of cars available, and the thing is, the diecast collectors scene in Sri Lanka is really kicking off, and we really want you to have a great collection of your own for you to show off and tell. We've also got our diecast and coffee cars event that's happening. Great place for you to show your collection. and definitely get involved with the online community. I mean, so much can be said about some of these models, but it works best if you come and see for yourself and have a look at what is available here at Nastars. And as you can see, it really is a wall of die-cast models. So that's it from us. I mean, we could pull out everything, but then this would be a 1 hour show. No, actually a 2 hour show, or maybe 3 hours, because I would like to go into all of these with great detail. Having said that, this is us from CastHeads saying...
Hold on, before we go, one thing. No, it's easy to buy a car, put it up on a shelf, take it off. One thing that you should check out from my store is the assembly line of cars. They have some really nice cars. You get a selection of wheels. You get to put this together, so it becomes a model that you put together. The Ferraris are really, really nice. I have a Lamborghini myself. I'm waiting to fill that collection up with the rest of them. The Ferraris are awesome. They come with both gloss and matte rims. The tires come separately. You have to put this together, and that gives a sense of not only accomplishment, but you get to make your own die-cast model. You can actually customize these if you want, because the basics come. You can paint it, you can patch it, you can do whatever you want.
Cars, bikes too.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah, there you go. That's pretty nice. I'm surprised Lance doesn't have that, because he's the buyer out there.
So even the bike collections are brilliant. I mean, putting this together is like putting your own personal die-cast together, and it gives you something to do if you have a kid. It also gives you the chance to do it with your son or daughter. It's actually a bonding experience too. So give this a try. I mean, it's easy to buy something off the shelf, but give your chance and try to give the chance and get you one of the assembly line kits.
So before Justy realizes that the Jada is gone, peace out.
That is what?